It's 70 degrees, mid-20s for our metric viewers, and there's still snow on the ground, but the rivers are flowing, so you know what time that means. It's time to get your kids excited about science with UAF SMART Academy. Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry coming from the creek near our house, and I wanted to tell you about a great opportunity for you and your kids to get excited about science this summer. So with a series of virtual science classes designed to get you out of the house and learning about science and then sharing it with your friends and family on the internet. So it will be a great ride, so come and check it out. And here's a little bit more about those courses. Here are my virtual science summer classes. I will be teaching a whole lot of chemistry, physics, and geology classes this summer to get your kids excited about science. We'll do a whole lot of chemistry experiments on living things and explore Alaskan plants and what they can be used for. We'll look at the metric system and how it's used in physics with both a bunch of experiments on sunlight and some experiments going outdoors and playing in your front yard with water. I'll also be teaching a bunch of geology classes to get you excited about rocks and to get you outside and exploring the natural world with taking field trips to your local beaches and mountains to see what's going on there and share it with friends and family. It's going to be a fun science-packed summer, and I want to show you where you can sign up for these virtual classes on the University of Alaska Fairbanks' website. You do not have to be an Alaskan resident to take these, so if you are living somewhere in the lower 48, check these out. It's a great opportunity. If you check out the description below, you'll get access to this website, and you can get involved with any of these types of classes that are taught virtually from anywhere in the US. So do it, it's fun. To find the best class for the inquisitive young mind in your life, click by grade level. So when you go through the website, you'll notice that there are camps and virtual courses. The camps are just available in the Fairbanks area. The virtual courses are available anywhere in the US. And we've got every grade covered. So register today and have fun. And with that, check out UAF SMART Academy. And I got a question for you. Does anybody know why the water here is red? Well, leave a comment below and let us know. And I look forward to you checking it out, and like, comment, and subscribe!